Hey everyone, it's Kim Patterson. I'm here with your Mindset Monday. Today, I wanted to talk to you about mindset versus mindfulness and how do you use them together. So, mindset is your established set of beliefs and attitudes. Mindfulness is being present and bringing your attention to what's going on right now. So, basically, you can use mindfulness to change your mindset. Let me explain. Let's say your mindset is that bad things always happen to you, or you don't have enough money, or any other belief or attitude about life. Those thoughts and beliefs bring on feelings of less than, struggle, and sometimes even loneliness and depression. By becoming present using mindfulness, you can literally notice where you feel that struggle in your body. A lot of people will enhance and practice train themselves to use mindfulness more often by using meditation. It's a great way to bring yourself back to the present. But it simply is being present and bringing your attention to what's going on right now. So if you're feeling like you should be doing something, that's a thought that may or may not have turned into a belief already in your day-to-day action. At any rate, you're going to feel a should message somewhere in your body. Typically, it comes as a contractive. That means a small, pulling in feeling, either in your chest or in your belly. And sometimes I can sometimes even feel it like curling, starting to curl over with my posture. By using mindfulness, you can take a moment to get quiet, to be still, to take a deep breath and notice where you're feeling that emotion, that thought, or that belief in your body. Then you have choices of how to respond to it. But without this awareness, you don't have a choice because you don't know that that choice is even an option. So with this example, let's say I don't like the feeling that I have with the message should, like I should be doing something else other than what I'm doing right now. What can I do? Well, the first thing I can do is look at what the message is about. Sometimes it has to do with people pleasing or just do like I should be doing something for someone else. Other times it's just a message that we've learned or an uneasy feeling or that we don't take time for ourselves to do the things we want and need to get done. So then look at that thought. Is that really true? Should I really be doing XYZ when I'm sitting here? Should I really be doing something else? Then I can ask myself, is that productive? Does it help for me to sit here thinking about something else I could and should be doing when I'm here? And so typically the answer to my question when I ask that is no, it's not productive at all. I'm feeling bad that I'm not there when I'm here. It doesn't help. So a lot of times our mindset keeps us from being successful because it keeps us in our comfort zone, even if our comfort zone isn't in our best interest in moving forward. So I continued to do that for a while because it was comfortable, because it was what I knew. But once I started to really practice mindfulness, I could really look at that and say, I don't like the way that this makes me feel. And so I'm going to let that thought go and I'm going to come back to the present. I'm going to do what's in front of me. And sometimes that takes a lot, but that's what mindfulness is about. It's changing your mindset. It's bringing you back to the present. Starting to use your mindset to create to create your mindset is very empowering and it can be life-changing. For example, let's say I change the message I'm telling myself. Instead of saying I should be doing something else, I take a breath and I get present where I am right now. And then I would ask myself, what would I love? What would I love to have or do in this situation? How would I like to feel? What would I love to be doing? First of all, typically I'd love to feel more empowered or more productive. And so using mindfulness, I can get present first, notice the things around me, notice what my existing thoughts are, and then start to create what I would love instead. What you might realize is that there's at least one task that you want to do, that if you do it, it will bring a huge amount of reward externally and internally. And so when I focus on that thing, whatever it is, and I let go of the should, but I just bring myself back to the present. I'm not ignoring that message, that thought is there, but I'm just bringing myself back to the present and doing what would bring me joy, right? Then I get the satisfaction out of getting that task done or just being present. When our mind wanders, mindfulness is a wonderful technique and a skill to build to help bring you back to the present moment. There are so many outside influences and things that are calling for us to pay attention to them. It truly is a gift to slow down and choose how we want to be. Anyway, hope that you like that. If you do, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.